This is one of the best do-it-yourself oil for hair growth. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sylvia here, and in today's video we are going to be doing one of the amazing hair growth oil. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification button so you don't miss any video from me. And I just want to say a big welcome to all our newbies. Welcome, thanks for joining the family, and let's go on this journey together. So today we are going to be using lemongrass for the oil. So if you haven't watched my video where I did the coconut oil from the scratch, you can watch it, because we are going to use that coconut oil for this oil. Lemongrass oil has some antibacterial and antifungal properties that help fight bacterial and fungal infection. And if you have ringworm in your hair, this is the best oil to use to massage your hair. It will get rid of it in no time. It also helps to fight dandruff, so those with stubborn dandruff, this is another remedy for you. One funny thing about the lemongrass oil is that if your hair is too oily, your hair is always oily and you don't want to add more oil, this is the best oil for you, because the lemongrass has the ability to absorb excess oil from your hair. Lemongrass is not just good for your hair but also for your skin. So after you've done this, coconut oil is also good for your skin. So after using the coconut oil to do your lemongrass oil, you can apply it from your head to toe. It is a very good skin oil. After knowing about the benefits of lemon oil, the hair benefits of lemon oil, because lemongrass itself has a lot of benefits that I am not here to say. I'm just going to tell you about the hair aspect. Let's see how to go about this oil. So that is how coconut oil on the water. Guys, I didn't put the coconut oil directly on the fire, but then I place it on the water that is boiling, and I'm going to put my lemongrass inside. I've cut my lemongrass into pieces so they can enter my bowl. The bowl I'm using is very small, so I cut them into pieces so they can enter. First of all, I am just melting the coconut oil. This is a cold pressed coconut oil. If you haven't watched that video, check it out and watch it, and do your own coconut oil free of any external product. So after melting my coconut oil, I just poured the chopped lemongrass inside. And guys, this took so much time, so do it when you have much time on your plate. So this is me trying to stir it and avoiding the water from entering the oil. This is a very lengthy process, I'm not going to lie. So I spent about 40 minutes doing this. When you're doing it, make sure your water doesn't enter the oil. Better to take a bigger bowl than mine. I wasn't having any other bowl bigger than this, so I went ahead to use this one, trying to prevent the water from entering the oil. So all we want to achieve, we want the white coconut oil or the colorless coconut oil to look green. It has to look green like the lemongrass. That is what we are trying to achieve. And we cannot put it, I know if we put it direct onto the fire, it will take like 5 minutes, but then it is not the best. You are going to kill all the property, all the good, all the nutrients. You're going to kill them. So this is the best way to go about it. As we await the results of our oil, guys, let me use this opportunity again to welcome all our newbies. Welcome to the channel, welcome to the family. Here we are not just a channel, we are a family trying to grow our hair together. No pressure at all. we are taking our time to grow our hair. And don't forget to give this video and any other video you watch a thumb up. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This is our final product. This is what we were doing all this while. The whole 40 minutes is to achieve this. And guys, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Until I see you guys in my next video. Bye.